But before I start with this crash test, I'd like to say thank you guys for 1 million subscribers, and that's why I will give you something back. Not something, you can win this phone. You could win a brand new iPhone XS Max in silver. Look at that beautiful phone. It's completely new, as you can see, and I'll give away that. What you have to do is, first step is like this video, then subscribe Hertha Test and make sure that the notifications are on. Next step is like Hertha Test on Instagram and on Facebook, and the last point is write a comment with the words "pick me." Yes guys, it was all, and then you're able to win this phone, beautiful phone, fresh from the Apple Store. This giveaway will run exactly 2 months, and then I will announce the winner on Instagram, guys. Yes, now we go on with this experiment with this iPhone XS. Put this phone away, because this phone is for you. Okay guys, then you can go on with this experiment. So put the camera like that. Okay guys, it was my crash test with the iPhone XS and 10,000 firecrackers. Guys, I hope you like this video, and yes, as always, thumbs up for a new crash test, and